Okay, so I'm actually sharing my screen with you guys, and I believe you should be able to see me. And all right, let's get started. First of all, we actually need an internet connection to do that. We need an internet connection, so do connect an internet. And secondly, we need a software to do that also. There are various type of software out there that you can actually use to clone a website. But today I'm going to be introducing you guys to HTTrack. It's very simple, so you just have to download it and install it. So basically that's it for HTTrack. But I'm going to show you guys how to download it now. So first of all, we're going to go to our Google Chrome or any other browser you use. There's Microsoft Edge, Tor, whatever browser you're using. Just go to your browser and open a fresh tab, and we'll go to HTTrack, HTTrack.com. Look at the spelling correctly, ensure it's correct, and click on OK. Internet connection seems to be off. Alright, let's try again. Alright, working now. And when you're here, is either you click on the download section or you click on download section here. Either you click on download or you click on the download section here. So which one you decide to pick, it's your choice. It's definitely going to the same page. When you click on download, it's going to the same page as the download section. So using a Windows, this is one you are supposed to be downloading actually. Or for those of you who are not using Windows, so you are using something like Linux, this is for you. For some of you who are actually using an Android phone and you're trying to clone websites with an Android phone, these are for you. So they are for various types of device. So that has to do with you. I have this already, so I'm not going to be downloading it. But for you, you can simply download it. You can download the recommended one. So this is which is this the recommended version. So you can download that. So after downloading that, then you run the installation. You actually install it. This is the application. This is the software. So after you install the software, then now you actually have to run it. So we're going to run this. If you're opening for the first time, ensure you're running this as administrator. There's no big deal about it, but it's advisable to do that. So just do it like that. So run as administrator, then give it a few seconds. Should actually come up. But always for it to come up, and we're going to actually look for a website you want to clone. So you looking at this video, you already have a website in mind that you want to clone. You see, basically just have to click next. Okay, we'll come up to this setup back again. Let's go to our Google Chrome now. We already have the application open, but I've not set up anything now. So let's go back to our Google Chrome. Let's look for a website we actually want to clone. So me personally, I'm going to be cloning my blog. I have a personal blog, which is ourschoollibrary.com. We'll teach a lot of things there. So if this is your first time here, you should definitely go there to go and study more. So I'm going to go to ourschoollibrary.com, and yeah, this is it. This is my blog. And basically, I'm going to try and copy just a few things out of the blog anyway, because it's a very big blog, and copying every single part of it is going to take like ages. And I don't want this video to be actually really long, so I'm going to try as much as possible to make it as short. So while copying it, we're going to actually stop it halfway and just open it and let you guys know, yeah, this thing actually works. Yeah, basically that's what I'm going to do. So for now, we're going to copy the URL, which is our schoollibrary.com, which you typed on top. That's the URL. We're going to copy it, and I'm going to minimize this and go back to the HTTrack. Yeah, so this is it now. Yeah, now you see it here. You just have to click on next, and we can pick a project name now. But regardless, anyone you decide to do is your choice. Actually, you can actually pick a project name. So I'm going to name this project. Let's name it blog, because we're actually cleaning a blog. So let's name it blog. And you can actually do this. You can download the website. You can download the website and the questions. There's different options depending on the one you decide to pick. You can clone a particular page. You can clone the whole website. You can clone the websites, all the links and everything. It just depends on what you want actually. But we're going to be using this download website option to make it easier for us. And we're going to paste the URL we copy from the browser. I'm going to paste it here. So after pasting it there, you can actually, that's it. You just have to click on next, and you let this start running. So once it starts running, you notice it's actually copying the website. You can see it's going to different pages and copying different posts. So let's give it a few seconds. After waiting for a few seconds, I'm going to like stop this because it's actually going to take a lot of time for the whole website to download, and I'm not trying to make this video really long. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to stop it halfway. Yeah, so once it's up half, I'm going to disconnect my internet connection and let you know this is how far it has gone. Yeah, this is how it downloads. And basically, if you are a web developer, you're probably watching this video, this particular HTTrack actually comes with more like, it doesn't actually take the source code, it's actually like building a replica of the website for you. One way or another, it's cloning, but it's not actually from the main source. You get me? So it's more like it's building it for you exactly the way mine is. So basically, that's it. So you can actually edit the code and whatever you want with it. So basically, and remember, this video is for educational purposes. Please, you guys should not put me in serious shit to YouTube. So this is for educational purposes. It's taking a lot of time to download anyway. I think we can actually stop this now, and I'll show you guys how far it has downloaded. So first of all, I'm going to go open my file explorer. Go to our file explorer. So now let's open our file explorer, and I'm going to go to this PC. Just click on this PC. You go to local disk. Then going to local disk. You scroll down a bit, and you see my website. So the software we actually installed is called HTTrack. But while installing HTTrack has a folder to save websites it has cloned, and our folder is actually called my website. So you double click on it, and you actually see blog, which is the project name we picked, because I said we're cloning blog. So whatever name you actually use is going to be here on your own project name. So when you click on blog now, you see it has the files inside. You see our schoollibrary.com, blah blah blah. That's every single thing inside. So it depends on what you're actually looking for. But now I'm going to disconnect my internet connection and let you guys see for yourself that yeah, this thing actually works. So I'm going to close that, and I'm just going to my internet connection as you can see, and I'm going to go to schoollibrary.com. Just going to look for a random page to open. Look for a random page, for index or stuff like that. Yeah, let's look for index. So let me just open index. That doesn't finish downloading anyway, but basically we should be able to get a proper page from one of this. Let's see. This is actually the source code, so you can actually make edits. If you're a web developer, you'll definitely be needing this, but for people who are not actually here for the purpose of learning how to code, you can actually just open this with Google Chrome, and let's see. All right, basically that's it. And you can see this is actually from my laptop. You see my internet connection is actually switched off, and this is in HTML format. That's why you can actually view it. So if you are actually new to coding, there are different programming language, and this is HTML. HTML allows you to open the websites you're actually building on your laptop without you running or doing other stuff or launching it online actually. But if you're using languages like PHP, it doesn't open directly like this. You have to go through this process. You can't just click and open it. But HTML, you can actually click and open it like I did just now. So basically, you can see it's a file. You can see it's a file from my laptop, which is you can actually see from the folder blog schoollibrary.com. This is index.html. You can see copied the blog. Basically, you see that's it. When you click on technology, see it will load. See, it has not finished copying anyway, but you get the whole idea now, right? I actually stop it halfway because basically there's no need copying my blog. I built it. So and basically you see that's it. So everything works one way or another. And you can start making edits by removing these or whatever thing you decide to remove. So basically that's it. This is the original one, which is our schoollibrary.com, and this is the one we actually cloned. You can actually see you barely notice the difference. You only notice it when you switch from tabs to tab from the URL. So basically that's it. That's how you actually clone a website. So basically, I believe you guys should be able to understand that, and really, there's not really much to it actually. So this is going to be actually the end of my video, and I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And if this is your first time on my video, ensure you do subscribe. Oh, ensure you subscribe, like, and do share my video. And I'll see you next time on this same channel with a different and interesting topic. All right, see you guys. Bye.